Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. A quick new fund announcement. The AG Dillon Anduril pre-IPO stock fund is now accepting investors. Anduril Industries is a defense technology company that specializes in building advanced artificial intelligence and autonomous systems for military and national security purposes. Financial advisors only. Email aaron.dillon@agdillon.com to invest or visit agdillon.com/Anduril for fund materials. Please note this important disclosure. AG Dillon is not affiliated with Anduril. Anduril may require company approval for stock purchases, also known as a stock transfer. AG Dillon has not been pre-approved by Anduril to purchase their stock. AG Dillon purchases pre-IPO stocks in the secondary market and may gain exposure by directly purchasing the stock on the company's cap table and or through a third-party fund, also known as a special purpose vehicle or SPV. And now here is the October 2024 pre-IPO stock market update. SpaceX, the space payload delivery and satellite internet company, is seeing explosive growth in its Starlink business in Africa. Starlink's internet terminals in Zimbabwe sold out within 2 months of the company's authorization to operate, making it the second African nation after Nigeria to experience such high demand. In Nigeria, Starlink terminals have sold out in 5 major cities, including Abuja, Kano, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Warri. Starlink, which globally serves over 4 million customers via a network of 6,000 plus satellites, witnessed rapid uptake in Zimbabwe, prompting local internet providers to cut prices to stay competitive. Consumers in Zimbabwe are now ordering terminals directly online, causing a collapse of a once thriving street market that resold kits at an inflated rates. 2.5 billion people globally do not have access to the internet. That's zero access. So Starlink is primed to be very large business in emerging markets like Africa, South America, and Asia. SpaceX has a $220 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 5.7% versus its July 2024 tender offer. Anthropic, the AI large language model platform business, has launched a new AI tool called Computer Use, enabling Claude technology to interpret and act on user screen activities such as browsing, typing, and clicking based on prompts. Released in beta for developers, this tool follows testing with enterprise clients and differentiates itself by operating directly on user screens, unlike other back-end integrations. The technology's release comes amidst a surge in AI agent development by companies like Microsoft and Salesforce, aiming to enhance productivity with minimal human supervision. Anthropic has implemented safety measures, including restricting actions like social media engagement and allowing developers to add oversight controls. Despite these precautions, the tool still struggles with tasks like scrolling and dragging and remains imperfect, according to co-founder Jared Kaplan. Early adopters include Canva, Asana, and Replit, testing it for graphic design, project management, and coding. Additionally, Anthropic launched upgraded models, Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Claude 3.5 Haiku, enhancing coding and reasoning capabilities. A new analysis tool currently in preview allows Claude to perform calculations and visualize data, similar to Google's code execution and OpenAI's advanced data analysis. Anthropic has a $25.6 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 42.3% versus its January 2024 round. There are rumors that the company is raising a new round at a $40 billion valuation. Klarna, the online payments and consumer credit business, shareholders voted with an 87% majority to remove director Mikkel Walther from its board on Thursday. Walther, who had been on the board since 2016, was criticized for obstructing strategic moves such as preventing Klarna from relocating operations to the UK, a step seen as crucial for its IPO preparation. The investigation findings shared with shareholders earlier in the month highlighted his interference and opposition to a bonus for CEO Sebastian Simikowski. The company's shareholders, which include major investors like Sequoia Capital, SoftBank, and BlackRock, also voted to amend Klarna's Articles of Association to align with UK-listed company governance standards, underscoring its IPO ambition. So IPO appears to be in the making for Klarna. Klarna has a $10.2 billion secondary market valuation, 52.6% positive versus its July 2022 round. Anduril, the AI defense technology company, scored a big win this week. The White House's new national security memorandum on AI significantly boosts Anduril's business prospects as it emphasizes rapid AI adoption across key government agencies like the Department of Defense and the Department of Justice. The U.S. government is accelerating its AI deployment, particularly in defense and counterintelligence, to maintain its lead over rivals, aligning with Anduril's focus on autonomous defense technology. The memo highlights that over 100 AI-related defense projects are in development, creating a lucrative opportunity for Anduril to expand its AI-driven solutions. The push for AI integration, including lethal force applications and enhanced cybersecurity, directly benefits Anduril's portfolio of products like its autonomous drones and surveillance systems. With U.S. AI investments increasing to secure military advantages in space and undersea operations, areas where Anduril already targets, this directive supports further growth and contracts for the company. Anduril has a $17.3 billion secondary market valuation. It's up 23.4% versus its August 2024 round. Infinitus Systems, an AI healthcare operations technology company, has raised $51.5 million in a recent funding round, boosting its total capital raised to $103 million. This round led by Andreessen Horowitz with contributions from GV, Kleiner Perkins, Cotu Management, and Memorial Hermann Health System, value the company at over $600 million. Infinitus' AI technology automates tasks like insurance verification and follow-up calls between pharmacies, aiming to reduce reliance on call centers and enhance efficiency amidst a healthcare labor shortage. The company's co-founder and CEO, Ankit Jain, emphasizes that the AI-powered automation can speed up processes and provide patients with real-time updates. Krishna Vishwan of GV highlighted that inefficiencies in healthcare waste billions of dollars annually, while Scott Kupor of Andreessen Horowitz, who joins the board, expressed enthusiasm for AI's potential to revolutionize healthcare communication systems. Agility Robotics, a humanoid robot company for warehouse operations, is raising $150 million in a funding round led by DCVC, valuing the company at approximately $1 billion. The company, spun out of Oregon State University, previously raised $150 million 2 years ago when it was valued at $550 million. Agility's fourth-generation robots are already deployed in warehouses, including those for Spanx, and also being tested at Amazon facilities, making it one of the few humanoid robot firms with active commercial deployments. The robotics sector has seen increased investment this year, with Figure AI reaching a $2.6 billion valuation, 1X Technologies raising $100 million, and Nimble securing $106 million in a FedEx-led round. Agility CEO Peggy Johnson previously held leadership roles at Magic Leap, Microsoft, and Qualcomm. Notion, the productivity and collaboration platform tech company, announced its new email client, Notion Mail, at its first Make with Notion conference, aiming to provide users with an integrated email experience that supports their workflows. The client, currently in preview with no confirmed launch date, is designed to work like a Gmail client, but incorporates smart filtering through Notion AI. Notion, which has surpassed 100 million users, continues to expand its productivity suite following recent releases like Notion Calendar, a product acquired through the purchase of Cron in 2022, and the acquisition of Skiff, known for its secure email service. Notion Mail will allow AI-driven email and management, such as automatically categorizing recruiting emails by stage and scheduling tasks, and the client also offers unique features like prioritizing emails within filter views. Integrations include linking emails directly to Notion Calendar for seamless scheduling. Additional new features include Notion Forms, layout customization options, and enhanced automation tools connecting Notion and Gmail. Notion has a $7.1 billion secondary market valuation. It's down 29% versus its October 2021 round. Okay, let's look at pre-IPO stock performance as of October 21st, 2024. Up this week, Ramp's up 19.1%, Databricks up 9.4%, Disco's up 6.9%, CoreUp's up 6.4%, and Anthropic is up 4.8%. Down this week, Plaid's down 8.6%, Brex is down 7.7%, Grok's down 3.4%, Neuralink's down 2.6%, and Scale AI is down 2.4%. Top valuations, ByteDance is at $292 billion, SpaceX $222 billion, OpenAI is at $151 billion, Stripe's at $86 billion, Revolut's at $45 billion. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current valuation, revenue multiples, and performance data delivered to your inbox. All right, let's look at performance for the AG Dillon pre-IPO stock vintage indexes as of October 21st, 2024. The 2024 vintage index top contributors since inception: Revolut's up 201%, Rippling's up 121%, Anduril's up 75%, OpenAI up 56%, Stripe's up 41%. Those are all year-to-date numbers, believe it or not, 2024. The 2024 vintage index is up 64% since inception. That's the full index year-to-date. There's no detractors in the 2024 vintage index. All 10 stocks are in the positive. All right, key metric averages for all vintage indexes 5 years old or older. 468% cumulative return since inception. 58% is realized or distributed investors. That's for the hardcore VC metrics. That's 5.68 TVPI, 3.31 DPI, and 2.37% RVPI. 4.1 years to quote unquote return the fund. Subscribe at agdillon.com/subscribe to get the most current pre-IPO stock index fact sheets, including vintage data by year from 2005. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you all next week.